So, welcome. We're very, very happy to have you here. We're going to start now, and we're actually expecting people to keep trickling in because, as we know, there is a BART strike, and not everybody lives in Berkeley. And so, and also, this is an all-day event, and it is a school day, so people will be coming in throughout the day. So my name is Eva Harris, and I am the faculty director of the Center for Global Public Health. And this serves as a nexus for students and faculty within the School of Public Health, but really across the UC Berkeley campus and into communities and into our collaborating sites abroad, with a focus on global health in its very broadest definition. And we really focus on being a bridge, kind of a translational bridge between the university and community, both in this country and in many of our collaborating sites across the globe. We also sponsor summer research fellowships, and there's essentially we send about 9 or 10 students overseas to work on their MPH or PhD projects. So if you're interested, it's posted on our website, and the deadlines will be at the end of January. And so we also have kind of 5 main research areas where we support faculty interests. And the one area is in global oral health, as well as slum health. We have another on global adolescent health, global health equity, and in chronic diseases, which, as we know, are emerging as a big issue in the developing world as well. We also have an annual symposium, and we're extremely excited to have this one on the future of global healthy food, from science to policy. And I have to say, it was really a surprise to us that this actually sold out in August. I mean, this has never happened before, and we actually had to get overflow rooms and turn many people away, which is why I'm quite convinced that we will have more people coming through. So it's really, I think we've kind of touched a pulse or a nerve here on the campus, because it is truly multidisciplinary. And so I think also that we're really trying to focus on the link to the community and address things at the local, the national, and the global level. And it's something we always talk about, but I think we're actually doing it in this conference. And not only that, but I also think this kind of from the micro to the macro, again, it's something we talk about, but here we have microbiome, we have microorganisms, and then we're also talking macro, not only policy, but politics. And so I think that this is why there's been just this outpouring of interest across the campus and really in the Berkeley and other community. We're really excited to have our keynote speaker, Mary Nessel, visiting us from New York University, and also our invited speaker, Mark Minari, from the Washington University in St. Louis. And as well, it's just really exciting because we have participants from across, not just the School of Public Health, Integrative Biology, the College of Natural Resources, the Berkeley Food Institute, Kaiser, authors from the area. It's really amazing. And on a very personal level, it's exciting because there's people who are participating here as speakers and actually also as participants in the audience, but like Tom Carlson and Miguel Altieri and Leah Fernald, who we've always threatened to collaborate over decades of friendship and being colleagues, and now we're actually doing something together. So on a personal note, that's very exciting. So the format is going to be, there are essentially 5 sessions, including a lunch panel. And our sessions are going to have a moderator, and then 2 speakers, and then a question and answer session, where the speakers will come and sit here, and then will be more of a real discussion of hopefully around 20 minutes or so each time. And then at the end of this morning session, we're very excited to have a book signing by Mary Nessel as well. So that's going to be a little special edition. And so I also want to make sure to thank some of the critical people in organizing this. First, Hildy Fong, Dr. Hildy Fong, who's our executive director of the Center for Global Public Health, and a huge shout out to and thanks to Dr. Simona Zompi, who is also here, who was our former executive director of the CGPH, and this was really her brainchild. She worked with the faculty and created this, and it just has turned out to be something really spectacular. So thank you, Simona. And also, of course, to wonderful Yasmina El-Suri, who is our student assistant in everything, and a whole cadre of volunteers. And we got these new shirts printed 2 days ago, and so they're white shirts, and you can see they say volunteers. So if you have any questions, they will be people who can help you.